It takes courage to lead an industry, push the boundaries of technology, and relentlessly strive towards our mission for sustainable off-road exploration. Inspiration struck from the countless treasures Mother Nature has to offer, and that we have a duty to respect and preserve. Orca Carbon responds eagerly, instantly, with unbelievable torque on the water. State-of-the-art engineering marries form and function for a beautifully efficient carbon fiber hull and deck, the only one of its kind in the world. Keep peace of mind with safe, simplified charging. Enjoy up to 2 hours of continuous ride time. To make memories to last a lifetime. But the fun is finding out for yourself. Be a leader. Choose electric.